Hello guys, today we are going to make a program to calculate your age in seconds. So first of all, let's discuss how we are going to solve this problem. Let's say today's date is 11/10/2022 and there is some date 1/4/2005. Now if we calculate the difference in days, then it will be 11 minus 1, 10, and the difference of months will be 6 and difference of years will be 17. So after taking it out and converting it into days, we can easily solve the problem. But also we have to add leap days because we are multiplying here by 365 and we also have to add leap days. So for further calculation, 6399 is the total number of days, and now we can easily convert it into seconds. Here is our answer. So let's start coding. I've already coded some I've already coded the program a little bit to save some time. Now let's calculate the difference in dates, months and years. Now we can calculate the number of days and let's first calculate the number of leap days. Days. Now we have to convert it into seconds. Now let's compile it. Birth date. Let's copy it with this one. 1/4/2005. 1/4/2005 and current date 11/10/2022. 5528736000. 55287328736000. Here is our answer. This code will be available in the description, and try it out and comment your age in seconds. Meet you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.